Close your eyes and imagine this. A playful, curious cat in a loving home, only for its health to go unnoticed when something is wrong. This is the reality for many pet owners, and Powers is here to change that. Welcome to the Powers Dex presentations, where we turn challenges into solutions. Our team brings together expertise in machine learning, mobile development, and cloud computing, collaborating to create a solution that's not only intelligent but also accessible and scalable. Together, we've designed a system that empowers pet owners with innovative tools for their pets' well-being. Today's journey includes why this project matters, the problem we're solving, insight we've uncovered, our implementation process and results, and a look at our journey through documentations. Let's get started. Did you know that 72% of Indonesian households own pets, with cats leading at 47%? Yet, many first-time owners struggle to detect signs of illness, leading to unnecessary suffering. Studies also show that 6 until 15% of cats suffer from skin disorders, with 22% having two conditions and 6% battling three or more conditions. This number highlights an urgent need for better awareness and tools.
Alright, next is the reason why it has to be powers. Let's start with the five phase analysis. Many cat owners are unaware of how to detect skin diseases early. Why? Because there is a lack of tools or resources designed specifically to help detect skin diseases in cats. Why? Because no dedicated applications or solutions currently exist for detecting cat skin diseases. Why? Because this niche issue has not yet received significant attention despite its impact on cat health and the high rate of cat ownership. Why? Because early detection prevents complications and empowers cat owners to act efficiently, improving cat health and owner satisfaction. Conclusions as a reason. We choose this theme because many cat owners are unaware of how to detect skin disease early, which can lead to complications. By addressing this issue, we aim to help cat owners provide timely care and reduce the severity of these conditions.
Next, we will discuss the solution provided by our application based on the issues previously presented. Additionally, we will compare it with other competing applications. So Powers is a user-friendly mobile app that uses computer vision and interactive chatbot to help cat owner detect potential skin disease early by scanning an image of the affected area. User receive an initial diagnosis and educational tips for managing the condition. The app promotes early detection while encouraging users to consult certified veterinarians for accurate diagnosis and treatment, ensuring that pets get the best care possible. We have conducted a comparison with several competitors, and it's clear that Powers offers much more comprehensive features. Based on the comparison, it was found that not many competitors can detect skin disease in cats. In addition, Powers equipped with interactive chatbot to assist users, a map feature to find nearest veterinarian, and the abilities to share relevant cat health products. All of these features are not offered by other competitors, making Powers the most comprehensive solution for your cat health needs.
Welcome to the implementation section of our project presentation. In this part, we will discuss how the solution proposed for powers have been translated into actionable outcomes. Through the systematic development and targeted effort, we've laid the foundation for innovative approach to support pet owners in diagnosing and managing cat disease efficiently. Let's dive into the specific. Our minimum viable product, or MVP, is centered on two key features. First, the cat disease image scan. This application enables pet owners to detect and diagnose common cat disease by utilizing image recognition technology combined with symptom analysis. Two, integrated chatbot. The chatbot acts as virtual assistant, providing quick guidance based on initial symptoms, follow-up steps after disease scan, and personalized tips for preventive care. These features are designed to empower cat owners with reliable and immediate tools tools to care for their pets.
Okay, now let's move into the result. In this session, we already made the layout and the flowchart for each layout of our application Powers. So, this is the flowchart and our layout for login session. This is for register session. This is for our chatbot. This is for main dashboard, and the last one is for profile. Next, let's analyze the SWOT of Powers. The first one is strength. Powers offer an affordable way for pet owners to detect potential health issues in their cats. We also integrate chatbot and we ensure that all diagnosis results are verified by professional veterinarians. The second one is weakness. Currently, Powers has a limited scope of disease detection, focusing only on the most common conditions and does not yet cover rare disease. Third one is opportunities. Powers has the potential to educate pet owners on the importance of early detection and preventive care, and we could expand our diagnostic capabilities to include more disease and condition. The last one, or the fourth one, is threat. There are other similar diagnostic tools and applications in the market, which could pose a threat to Power's market share.
Okay, let's see documentation from our team. First, we have documentation from machine learning teams. We put the link for implementation models, image data, and also GitHub repository from machine learning teams. And next, we have cloud computing documentation. We put the picture of architecture cloud design that we use. First, we have a mobile app or user interface, and then for authentication, we use Firebase. And for deployment, we use Cloud Run, and also we use machine learning model for implementation our feature. And next, the last documentation is from mobile development teams. Mobile development teams have a user interface for scan feature, scan result, and also chatbot feature.
Let's move on to the local deployment plan and go-to-market proposal. Taking the data from the Cornell Feline Health Center, we have roughly 3 to 8 million potential users that Powers could help. Powers aim to help people like Dina. She's been worrying about her pet, Mochi. Dina says, Mochi has been so quiet these few days, and she kinda worried if he's sick, but she can't schedule a vet visit right now, and Powers here to help. Of course, there's still so much room to improve, and our team have been discussed about a lot of future development, from pet health product center, pet health tracking, on-site vet visit, and many more. We also have prepared the budget plan. By assuming we got 10K investment, we plan to spread the budget to 8 criteria, from infrastructure, operational, team salary, survey and research, product development, marketing, emergency fund, legal and administration. We also have designed the 5-month project milestones, which the first 3 months will be focusing on the product testing, marketing materials, and partnership consultations, and the last 2 months is finally the product launch and continuous improvement. Now, let's take a closer look at Powers.
Is your cat sick or the vet location is too far? Powers, from diagnosis to solution. Scan and detect your cat diseases in one tap. Ask Poe for more details.